My mind was racing, my heart was pumping a lot.
It was a great way to show teamwork. Fun way to learn, not boring.
It was just a very positive experience. I'm very happy that I came here and did this.
It was just a great experience.
I think it was one of the best things I've ever done.
This is really cool.
Originally, when I came here, I thought it was just assembly lines. I didn't expect the collaboration with other people and other innovations.
It made me think about like my future, like what I'm gonna do. Manufacturing is definitely on the list.
There's so many things you could do to learn here, some opportunity you could take, and I say go for it. It'd be a great experience for you to learn, and it could be one of your favorite jobs to do.
If you get the chance to do one of these workshops, I would say go for it. It is honestly one of the most fun things that I've done in a while.
The United States continues to face a labor shortage. The Creators Wanted campaign is aimed at giving young Americans the skills they need to work in manufacturing.
It was basically a traveling road show set up. It's called Creators Wanted. You know, manufacturing is a pretty cool industry to work in.
I would say to my colleagues, this is how we make the workforce challenges go away and innovate right here in this state.
You're going to see for yourself how manufacturers here and across the country are making our world a better place.
Don't overlook the incredible opportunities awaiting talented, enterprising young people like you.
You are why we're here. You are our future creators.
I really appreciate the National Association of Manufacturers here doing this event for us on our campus. Luckily for us, sometimes it's hard to teach students from a textbook. This is great exposure, and this is a great opportunity for our students to actually see this. We would love to see this again.
It's really rewarding to see the students actively participate in anything that's going to help advance their careers.
What we've seen today has just been a fantastic opportunity for our kids.
The event really did make me think more about manufacturing as a career, not just as something I could do short term, but long term.
It's kind of game changing when you think about all the stuff you have to do.
I wish I would have had this when I was in 8th grade.
It was excellent experience for the students.
I think this is a neat experience for anybody. Teachers, associates, kids of all ages.
You guys rock. Come back and see us.